Hi everyone, I'm glad you've come to cook with Victoria. Today I'll be sharing with you how to make smoky party styled jollof rice. So come along with me and let's do this together. For our jollof rice we need rice, scotch bonnet pepper, we have Tatase, a long one, Cameroon pepper. It's optional, but I like the flavor in the jollof rice. Ginger, garlic, tomato paste, stock. I cook some beef, so I'll be using the stock. Plum, tomato plum. You can use fresh tomatoes. Some curry, onions. I have 4 of them. Salt. Cubes, fennel seed, thyme, lemongrass, bay leaves, and rosemary. You can use any herbs of your choice. And again, we'll be needing this, some coal. I will tell you and I will show you what you're going to use it for. I'll put some oil inside my pot, then I slice the onion, the garlic and the ginger. I'm going to be frying them. Now our onion, garlic and ginger is ready. So I'm going to be blending the onions with this. I'm going to be blending them together. Now I'll be adding the tomato paste inside the oil to fry. And what this one will do is to take away the tomato taste and to make your jollof rice last longer. And the reason why I fried my onions and ginger with my garlic is because it gives it this aroma, this flavor, bit of smoky flavor and this nice taste. You just need to try it away. This is what you are looking for. It's not burnt, because if it is burnt it's going to be tasting bitter. You just keep on stirring. So what I'll be doing now, add all my herbs to it and the pepper to it that I blended and allow it to boil. I'll be adding some curry to it, a bit stock. I'll just add a bit of water, then cover it, allow it to cook very well. Now our rice is ready to be poured in. I'll wash the rice, drain the water. Add your nut cubes to it, and a little bit of salt. Stir. Now I'm going to taste it for seasoning. That's perfect. So what I'll be doing now, I'll take my foil and cover it on a very low heat. Cover it. Make sure your coal is hot. I'm going to put it on the stove now to make it get hot. And I'll show you what you will do to it. See our jollof rice? Remember, always put it on a very low heat. So check for if it is done. So I'm adding just a little bit of water to it. If you don't want your rice to be burnt, it's still going to get burnt, but if you use very low heat, it's not going to get that very, it's not going to get burnt very much. And if you love smokiness in your jollof rice, and you don't want your whole house to be smelling of smoke, this is what you are going to do. Put your charcoal there and add to it some oil. You can see the smoke. Cover it with the foil paper and the cover, and that is it. Stay on a very low heat. Check for rice. Smoky. Wow. Let's take this out. Careful, don't use your bare hands. Let's check for so soft. The smoke. This jollof rice is superb for the festive season. Our jollof rice is served. I have a beef, of course jollof rice, baby spinach and radish. So colorful. Let me taste it for you. Wonderful, very, very delicious. The smoky flavor in it. Oh, when it comes to cooking, it's good for you to explore, and as you explore you discover a lot, and as you discover you enjoy. Like today we have discovered that we can actually fry our onions, garlic and ginger before blending it with the peppers and boiling to make our jollof rice. And again, we say that you can actually bring smoky flavor into your jollof rice, but not actually allowing it to get burnt too much, and your house will not be smelling of smoke. It's time for me to go and enjoy my jollof rice. But before I go, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, share with your friends and family, comment in the comment section, press on the notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I upload new video. Till next time, bye.